What's up guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this flat twist bun protective style. So I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and blow dried hair, and I'm just going to part off a little section in the back and create 3 twists. That just gives my ponytail a little bit more flexibility when I create the bun. And I'm using some of the Cream of Nature's Pure Honey Moisture Infused Edge Control. This just helps smooth my hair in the twist. So I'm going for more zigzag parting, so I'm just going to part my hair more on a slant, creating that zigzag effect. Now I'm taking some of this Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel in black. I know this edge gel looks very intimidating because it's black, but I love it. It gives you that excellent shine, and it also fills in all those little, if you have some thinning edges, it fills in those really nice. Making sure your section is nice and smooth and detangled. Then you're going to start to create your twist. Now when creating your flat twist, the key to having a nice even twist is to take small pieces and gradually add more to the piece. So you just want to take your time and pick up small pieces and continue to go down and grab more, not taking too much, but just small pieces at a time, and that gives you that nice stitching effect. Twisting the hair down to the ends, and then I'll secure it with a clip. Then I'm just going to continue the same process throughout my entire head. Once I have all the twists complete, I'm just going to take a scrunchie and place my hair into a ponytail. Now I'm just going to take my braiding hair, and this is just one pack of braiding hair that I actually just twist down about 5 twists. Now I'm just going to attach that to my ponytail, twisting it up into a bun and securing it with bobby pins. Then I'm just going to do my edges. Apply some mousse. All the products will be listed down in the description box below. And then I'll apply my scarf to set the style. And this is the complete look, guys. I am in love with how it turned out. This is a super cute, super easy, yet a great protective style. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to also like and make sure you are subscribed and turn on your post notification bell. That way you never miss my uploads. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I know this ain't got from the way that it smell. I'm a big stepper, but I need a size 12.